Lithium or tubular battery? Many spend thousands on the wrong one and regret it later. In this video, I'll break down which battery is worth your money. Let's get started. Welcome back to the channel, Crafty Corner Pro Max. My name is Lawrence. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through comparing lithium and tubular batteries. We'll cover advantages and disadvantages. A battery stores electrical energy. In homes, they are used for inverters, solar systems, and backup. Today, we'll focus on lithium and tubular batteries. What is a lithium battery? Lithium batteries are modern, advanced batteries. Key features are compact size and built-in BMS from overcharging. Here is how battery packs are built. First, individual cells are gathered, then combined into modules. Connections create the full system. That is how it works. Key functions of a BMS. 1. Voltage monitoring. It ensures each cell stays safe. It prevents overcharging. 2. Temperature control. This prevents overheating. Let's look inside a lithium battery cell. We have the cathode, the anode, a separator, and electrolyte. Lithium ions move back and forth, creating electricity. That's how it powers our world. Tubular batteries are a lead-acid battery. They have tube-shaped plates inside. They are heavy and bulky. They require water maintenance. These batteries are still very popular. Let's compare technology first. Lithium uses advanced BMS. Second is charging speed. Tubular takes 10 hours. Winner is lithium. Finally, higher efficiency. Lithium wins again. Now let's discuss battery lifespan. Lithium lasts much longer. Lithium wins again. What about battery maintenance? Tubular requires regular water. Lithium is maintenance-free. Let's discuss cost. Lithium lasts longer. Size and weight? Winner is lithium. Lithium. Final is safety. They need ventilation. Choose wisely. So, which battery should you choose? Choose lithium for a long-term investment. Choose tubular if you have a low budget. Good luck! Let's look at a real-life example. This tubular battery is cheaper now. Lithium is expensive but lasts longer. Lithium can actually save you money. What makes lithium batteries efficient? High-quality materials and a smart BMS. These factors determine charging speed, lifespan, safety, and efficiency. What makes lithium batteries so efficient? A final pack includes cells and BMS. Key factors are proper cell balancing, along with thermal management and smart design. When you combine solar panels and lithium batteries, you get clean energy, energy storage, and power even at night. Many people make these mistakes, choosing the cheapest battery, ignoring maintenance costs, not considering long-term usage. Don't make these mistakes. So now you understand the difference. Like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.